Big tech businesses are engaged in a gold rush as a result of the competition for supremacy in artificial intelligence (AI). Behind the scenes, industry giants like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta are acquiring AI startups at a rate never seen before, changing the tech scene and laying the groundwork for a future driven by state-of-the-art algorithms. What does this mean for regular consumers, though, and why are they doing it? AI startups are becoming the shining stars of innovation in this age of swift technological advancement. These agile, aspirational businesses are driving advances in robotics, machine learning, and natural language processing, frequently surpassing more cumbersome, bureaucratic larger organizations. Big tech may stay on the cutting edge of AI developments without having to wait years for in-house development by purchasing these startups. But this acquisition mania is about more than simply innovation. It's also about controlling data, which is the engine that drives AI, getting top personnel, and consolidating power. Despite the enormous potential advantages, this development also brings up significant moral and social issues. Customers run the risk of having fewer options, data privacy issues, and ecosystems that restrict them to a single supplier as big tech continues to centralize innovation. Future developments may reshape how technology affects our world and our level of control over it. 1. Availability of cutting-edge technology. Leading the way in technical advancements are AI startups. Compared to larger firms, these smaller, more agile businesses are frequently more adaptable and risk-taking. They can develop groundbreaking AI solutions because they are free to experiment with new concepts without being constrained by shareholder pressure or bureaucratic procedures. AI businesses are opening the door for revolutionary applications in fields including healthcare, finance, and more, ranging from computer vision and machine learning algorithms to natural language processing (NLP). Big tech sees acquisitions as a quick way to integrate these cutting-edge technologies into their own ecosystems because they understand their value. Companies like Google or Microsoft can quickly incorporate cutting-edge AI capabilities into their platforms by purchasing a company, saving years of research and development R&D time. For example, AlphaGo and AlphaFold, two groundbreaking developments in AI brought about by Google's 2014 acquisition of DeepMind, have elevated Google to the forefront of AI research. 2. The AI brain drain in talent acquisition. Human talent is just as valuable in the field of artificial intelligence as the technology itself, if not more so. Purchasing an AI business is frequently a calculated move to obtain access to highly qualified data scientists, engineers, and researchers. Big tech can strengthen their teams with specialists that possess in-depth knowledge in specialized fields like neural networks, reinforcement learning, or ethical AI by using this acqui-hiring strategy. There is intense rivalry for top-tier professionals in the notoriously small AI talent pool. Big tech protects creative minds and keeps rivals from acquiring them by purchasing startups. For example, Apple gained technology and a skilled workforce when it acquired Xnor.ai, a low-power AI business. At the same time, it prevented competitors from taking advantage of Xnor.ai's experience. What this implies for you. 3. Increasing competitive advantage. Big tech firms are always vying for control of new technology and markets. One strategy to keep ahead of the curve and preserve a competitive edge is to acquire AI businesses. Startups with technology that complement a company's strategic objectives are frequently the target of these acquisitions. For instance, Microsoft has a major lead in AI-driven cloud computing thanks to its collaboration with OpenAI and subsequent investments, which have enabled it to incorporate state-of-the-art language models like GPT into its Azure cloud platform. Big tech can prevent rivals from using their exclusive technologies by acquiring these startups. Because each tech company controls a different piece of the AI puzzle, this leads to an atmosphere where innovation gets more and more compartmentalized. Over time, these monopolistic tactics may reduce consumer choice and impede competition. What this implies for you. 4. Creating ecosystems for AI. Large tech firms are creating complete ecosystems rather than merely purchasing AI startups for specific technologies. A vast network of linked technologies that function as a single, cohesive system is known as an AI ecosystem. One important part of Amazon's larger AI-driven logistics ecosystem is the warehouse robots' capabilities that were improved by the company's acquisition of Kiva Systems. Hardware, software, and services are frequently integrated in these ecosystems, resulting in a closed-loop setting where users are solely dependent on the products of a single business. By acquiring firms like Looker and Kaggle, Google has strengthened its machine learning and data analytics ecosystem and cemented its leadership in cloud computing and artificial intelligence tools. 5. Quickening the time to market. The capacity to launch new goods quickly is a significant competitive advantage in the fast-paced tech industry. Big tech corporations can speed up their time to market for creative products by acquiring AI startups. Through these acquisitions, businesses may practically instantly implement pre-made technologies rather than creating AI solutions from the ground up. For instance, in order to incorporate its technology into its e-commerce platforms, Meta, previously Facebook, purchased GrokStyle, a visual search AI firm. Without spending years on development, Meta was able to improve its shopping features because of this quick deployment. In a similar vein, Apple was able to introduce the now iconic voice assistant well ahead of its rivals thanks to its 2010 acquisition of Siri. What this implies for you: new and enhanced AI-driven products will be available sooner thanks to a quicker time to market. However, this emphasis on speed can occasionally lead to products that put convenience ahead of morality, which raises concerns about how new technologies will affect society and privacy in the long run. 6. Information as the new oil. Startups frequently have unique data sets that can be quite valuable to big tech, and AI feeds on data. Businesses can get specific data that can improve their AI algorithms by purchasing these startups. An autonomous car firm may have proprietary sensor data from millions of kilometers of driving, or a health-focused AI startup may have anonymized patient data that may be utilized to enhance diagnostic tools. Big tech's obsession with data isn't limited to enhancing algorithms. It also aims to keep its hegemony in the data economy. A corporation is better positioned to create cutting-edge AI solutions and surpass rivals if it has greater control over data. But this presents serious ethical questions around data ownership and privacy. What this implies for you: data-driven AI raises the possibility of data misuse, even while it can result in more individualized and efficient products. Customers need to be aware of how their data is being gathered and utilized, particularly as big tech's data monopolies keep expanding. Don't forget to open the link in the description. Implications for the future. The competition to buy AI firms is drastically changing the tech scene. On the one hand, it's fostering quick invention and producing innovative technology that enhance our day-to-day existence. However, it's concentrating resources and power in the hands of a small number of businesses, which raises moral and financial questions. The secret for customers is to be informed and involved. You'll be more equipped to handle this changing environment if you comprehend how these purchases impact your privacy, data, and choices. The choices big tech makes now will affect everyone's future as AI continues to change the world. And don't forget to open the link in the description and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.